We are at the Wizard of Suds. Your accurate weight scale. Do I want to hop on there? Not really. They have a whole store. And I was able, oh, and look at that. They even have a small casino. They're having a special on the chiladas, a blowout sale. You got your pole fitness class here, your tattoos. We are at the Wizard of Suds laundromat, located at 4275 South Arville Street in Las Vegas. So let's take a look inside. We needed to do some laundry after being here for a few days, so we thought, let's check this one out and see what they got. Located just behind Palm's Place. They have a huge assortment of washing machines. They even have some massage chairs. $1 for 3 minutes. You can't beat that, to chill and get a massage in a leather chair while you're waiting for your laundry. We opted for one triple loader. Got the goodies rolling in there. Woohoo, back and forth. And this was $3.50. I'll take you around the corner here. You've got your Cruisin' Exotica, your toy chest, your goodie banks, and your accurate weight scale. Do I want to hop on there? Not really. Extra large dryer, Big Mama. We also got number 54 going. And this was $2.50. We already got some spin action going. Both of these were less than 20 minutes. So it was $6 to do 2 big huge loads of laundry. Not bad. They have a gaggle full of dryers in case you need your sugar fix. They have a whole store connected here for all your needs next door. And I was able, oh, and look at that. They even have a small casino in here. So if you want to get your slot on while you're doing your laundry. They had some laundry soap and some Downy. I got a Downy and I got a Tide, and they were like $3.10 each. Not bad at all. Got your beers. Gonna pick up some red vine and some Doritos. Now look at this. They're having a special on the chiladas, a blowout sale. I think I'm gonna have to. Their package with some Doritos, Cheetos, the little munchies pack. And she got some Skittles and Star. We got ourselves a little Mark Anderson care package. Gonna welcome our good Canadian friend back into the United States with his favorite. His little bedtime snack he likes to snuggle up with. Some red vines and some Doritos. And then I think me and him are going to have to do a chilada taste-off. We're going to try the chilada especial. the Chelada Tamarind Picante. I can't even talk. The Chelada Mango Chili. And the Chelada Limon Sal. I think I'm gonna like this one the best, probably. So, we're gonna have a beer tasting over there at the Wynn. Very exciting. Can't wait. Well, I didn't see this. Free soap with every wash. What's that all about? Cinamongirl, this one's for you. We got the stuff drying. Snoopy pants is spinning. I did have to put some money in one that didn't work, which is a pain in the butt, and then another one didn't work, but it's all good. So I did all this laundry for $10 plus $6 for the laundry soap. Not a bad deal. I definitely would stop by here and play some slots while you're doing your laundry. I didn't, but you should. They got some good Game King pokers in here. And it looks like some buffalo. This is in the Emerald City Center. You got your pole fitness class here, your tattoos, your mini mart, your video poker, and your laundromat. All right behind the palms. Yeah, back there. And right here is Palms Place. So when you are in Las Vegas and need to get your laundry done, this is the place to do it. Please like, share, and subscribe, and leave me a comment down below. I look forward to seeing you all next time. Peace out. Here we are back in the intersection of Arville and Spring Mountain Road. We're trying to get that Crunchies Korean fried cheese again. This is our third time back. Wish us luck. Third time's a charm.